protecting people, ensuring your safety and confidence in your equipment. This is the intention behind each of our products. It is our mission, our drive, and our responsibility. But for us, this responsibility does not end here or here. We also want to protect people in a sustainable way and apply our mission to other areas of life, to our environment, for example, which is why we use green energy to cover more than 90% of our electricity needs and save more than 7,000 tons of CO2 each year. Our safety footwear production plant is the first facility in the company to be ISO 14001 certified. uvex has also had its own social standard since 2007. This is binding for all suppliers and is based on globally recognized standards. Regular audits are carried out on 85 core suppliers to ensure uvex standards are consistently being implemented. As manufacturers with global production facilities, we ensure that our products are entirely free from harmful substances and our processes go well beyond the statutory requirements. With several thousand tests per year, our quality management department not only guarantees the premium quality of the product itself, but ensures with the help of more than 80 employees that the products are optimized on a constant basis in terms of environmental and climate protection. As a family company, the responsible use of resources is a matter that is particularly close to our hearts. We feel a company can only be successful financially if it also develops responsibly. This is why we also provide protection here and here. For a socially responsible, ecological and economic future.